I just did number 2 from the study guide. Now I'm going to do number... Whoops. Now I'm going to do number 3. Number 3 says that f of x is equal to 1 over 3x minus 2. And it asks for f inverse of x. So, first thing I'm going to do is, usually we graph y equals f of x, so I'm going to look at this as y. I'll write it out. Y equals 1 over 3x minus 2. First step is to switch x and y, so I'm going to make this x equal to 1 over 3y minus 2. Now, I need to solve for the new y. If you're stuck here, what we do is we multiply by the denominator on this side right here, on both sides, and it cancels out on the right side. But if that doesn't make sense, it's really easy to see what happens if you just put the left side over 1, and then we can cross multiply. That gives me 3y minus 2 times x is equal to 1, which is I'm going to distribute the x in. 3xy minus 2x is equal to 1. This is actually really similar to the last problem algebraically that we did in number 2. I need to group. I'm solving for y here. Y. In the last one I was solving for x. So since I'm solving for y, I want to get everything that has a y on one side and everything that doesn't have a y on the other side. That leaves me with 3xy, the only term with the y, equals, I'm going to add this term to both sides. So that's equal to 1 plus 2x on the right side. Now I'm going to divide by 3x, and that gives me y equals 1 plus 2x over 3x. This is an acceptable answer. I would take this. This is fine. You can stop here. If you see those x's and you decide you want to cancel them, you need to separate it out into 2 separate pieces. So let me clarify that. I would take this as an answer for f inverse of x. F inverse of x equal to. If you decided you wanted to divide in, you could go ahead and it would be 1 over 3x plus 2/3. That's the first term over 3x plus the second term over 3x. This is probably the more simple one to do and to understand.